Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, the question is, who could be lying between Usamkebe and Usne? Because these two ladies are telling two different stories. Now guys, I did say last time, Usne Vela is the type of person who would say, Alad, she can meet you today. Next thing, she called you Upesti Waike. So when Usne said Uchi Skim Sama, I was saying, guys, let's wait and see. And yeah, ukuthi bahlobene kanjani, or how are they, what's like, how deep is their friendship? Because umuntu, like, there's some people who just use the word friend very loosely. Usamke says, listen, me and Husne are not friends. I met Usamke at my uncle's friend's wedding. Ngambona kayi-1 and that was the last time I saw her. Manje ke mesihlangana kwamacele, like I have not seen her since that wedding. That's what Usamke says. So Usamke says, so I would not call her my friend. Manje ko Usne makayichaza when she's out and about with her siblings eBhishi, Usne's like, no. Mina vele nginenkinga no Samke, because Usamke, if she was a real friend, she would have told me while my father was making advances on her. She would have told me, ukuthi Snena Pelubaba Wako is making advances. I mean, guys, I don't know if I would have done that. Like, I mean, you need to have been like a very close friend for me to do that. But if ungani like from far, like, why should I tell you? Like, do you understand what I'm saying? But anyway, Usne then says, Wuti, like, so you can see Wuti, Sne's acting, or I feel like Sne's acting to be fine, or acting as if she's fine with this whole situation. But I'm like, guys, siyamazi Usne, guys, angavela phamuke out of the blue. Hey, bo. So anyway, Sne says, Uguti, Mina no Samke, we know each other from high school. Yes, we were not attending the same high school, but we know one another from back then. Mina no Samke were WhatsApping one another, were sending each other messages on Facebook, and then Usamke just stopped talking to me out of the blue. This was a year back. So obviously these are two different stories, because Usamke is making it seem as if I met Usne once and that was it. And then Ulokuzana, Usne's like, no, but me and this person, we've been talking. But now there's something that seems a bit odd for me, you guys. Because when she meets Umpumelelo, Beno Lwandle, she's like, no, me, Abumpumelelo, siyazana vele. Like, we've been in each other's spaces for a while. So I'm like, that's quite kind of odd for me. Do you understand what I'm saying? Because if Usamke uhlale endaweni, she's from Mzumbe, and Usne is well known Mzumbe. I'm just trying to think what type of places was Usamke moving in, or what type of places was she I don't know, was she socializing in, where Ulwandle and Umpumelelo would be there. Because for me, it's just giving type of vibes, because I'm trying to think, like, what type of sit-ups would it be for her to say, Siyazana, we are always in each other's spaces? For me, I'm just thinking, groove was the only thing. Groove or jive or type of places where we know puzwa, it's for young people, we chill and all of that. So Angazi, like, I kind of feel like it's kind of odd for her to say which she knows Ulwandle and Umpumelelo very well, but when it comes to Usne, she's kind of distancing herself. Maybe ngempela, guys, she doesn't know Usne ngaleyo ndlela, but I was just like, and then she makes a joke, she's like, you must fear ingane womfana, and she laughs. And then we see Umpumelelo laughing when he was doing his diary session ukuthi uyamazi. I'm like, what's going on here? Did Umpumelelo ever shela Usamke? Or like, is he laughing for the fact to like, Aibo, we go to the same places, like, I know this person, next thing ungumawami type of vibes. I just feel like Usamke is not being completely honest about this. Got that, guys, akusenadi vele, because sekangenile, she's the wife, whatever history she has, no Sne and Abompumelelo, they're gonna just have to bury that behind them. because they have to respect her as a wife now. But guys, you tell me, ukuthi mawuhlanganisa u-1 no-1 uyamthola u-2, or are you getting 11 just like me? Anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.